By request, here is a demonstration of homework 1, problem 3. To create this, hopefully this will reinvigorate your SolidWorks skills. So I'm going to make an assembly of representing this problem right here, similar to the homework problems. Someone somewhere has done this and says that I didn't bother counting, but I'll take their word for it that this has a mobility of 1. So when we're done with it, we should be able to see that there's only 1 degree of freedom, even though there looks like there could be multiple ones. Just taking a quick look at this, you can see that this part, that part, that part, and this part, these links, the 4 links are all the same thing. These 2 grounds look the same. It's got 2 of these sliders and 2 of these flat grounds, right? So we'll make all those parts pretty quickly. I'm going to start out by making the thing white. I'll make it in inches just so my reference is easier. I'm going to take a right plane and make a link. I'm going to make all of these, I guess I could make them flat. It might be easier to make them flat. I'll make them flat. Okay. Let me get out of there. I'll make it on the front plane and make it with this thing. I'm just going to take a guesstimate of my size. I'll make it 9, and I guess I should fully define it, make it 1 inch wide and make the holes 1/2 inch. This is like watching paint dry. 0.5, and then I'll make that one the same as this one, equal. Boom. And then for the extrusion, I don't know, it doesn't matter how thick, but I'll make it a little bit thicker there. Okay, so there you go. Save this as somewhere. Oh, I guess I'll put it in here. I'll go F24, homework 1, problem 3, and I'll make this E because I already had A, B, C, and D and E. Okay, and I'll say that this is just link. There you go. So let's do another one here, another part. Same, watching paint dry. Make them into inches. I'll make the ground. Boom. And let's see. Make that 1/2 inch. 0.5. I'll make this 1 inch. Probably a bunch of different ways to do this, but let's see if I can get that to go boom, 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 boom. And it doesn't matter how high this is, but 1 inch is fine. Okay. And trim that sucker. Boom. Alright, so I think let's see, did I make anything messed up? Usually it'll shade it in. I might not have that turned on. Maybe I don't have that turned on. Let's see if it'll. Yeah, 0.2. And let's see. I guess I'll just go ahead and do this right here. Draw it on there. Make a rectangle. Boom, boom. Make these collinear. This doesn't have to be that way, but you know, I like to be fussy. Put them right there. Okay, we can find that here. Boom. Make that vertical. Fully defined stuff is nice. 2 inches. 0.2. Boom. And we will extrude that. Go mid-plane. And make it 2. I don't know. Is that necessary? Yeah, I guess that's good enough. Save as. Boom. Right there. Go ground. Ground 1. make another one. I'll go. How about I'll just make the slider. And make this 2. Actually, I'll make it 1.5. Is that okay? I'll make that 3. Maybe. And this is 0.5. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Sure. Extrude it. 0.2.
Oh, anybody? Oh, sorry, huh?
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
I don't know if I threw anything away.
Yeah, just paper.
I'm recording right now, so all this is being saved for posterity.
Okay.
Anything you want to say to the folks at home?
No.
No, me neither. So you might have thought I was talking to myself, but
I'm looking at you like, okay.
all right, I'll just start talking to myself. I'm making a video, a how-to video.
Oh, okay. Have a good one.
You too. Let's go front plane, and I'm gonna make the slider thing. This is just gonna be a ground. Let's see how long I'll make this. Oh, I don't know. I'll make it 6 inches long. This right here. This could be. That could be 2 inches wide. Boom. These are all up to you. I'll make it 0.1. Make it look better. All right. So. There's going to be ground 2, and then I think, if I'm correct, the only thing I have left to do are this triangle. So I made that. Okay, yeah, so just make it a triangle. And so let's see, one more. Inches, boo, no, I want to make white. Looks better. The white looks better. I think. Let's see. Is there a triangle in there? There's not. There's not a triangle. You can make a triangle. I'll start there. And boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Let's make it 3. Make it isosceles. Is that right? Equilateral. Let's get there, huh? Boom. All right. We could have just done offset, couldn't we? Let's just do offset. We get offset. I didn't want to do that. Let me make that into 0.25. Sounds right. I probably could do something else with that, right? Just make these 1/2 inch. Is that going to be enough? No. Well, actually, I think it's going to be stupid. Yep. I'm a dummy. 0.75. Ooh, that's too big. How about 0.5? That's not big enough. Oh, too big. 0.375. No, I don't mean that. I mean this. 0.375. There we go. 0.5. I think we'll make this 4 inches. 4. Should have made them equal. Would have been easier. Okay. I guess so. It's not terrible. So let's get rid of that. Here. Make all these equal. Turn these into construction lines. Where'd you go? There you go. I think I'll round it off with fillets. Alright, so why not sketch? I want there, and go 0.2, and it looks stupid, but let's go boom, boom, boom. That looks better. Okay. Womp womp. This. I go try. What are you thinking? All right. So we'll create a new assembly now, and we have all these things in here. Let's start with the ground one. We know we need two of them. Something to remember: the first part that you put into an assembly is fixed, and right there we can make it float if we want to. But I'm going to go ahead and make it fixed. If I was making a precise assembly, I would put that probably at the origin, or put its origin at the origin. Just have a known place to start from. So let's see. We will go to assembly here. Go to insert components. I'm going to put that guy in there, and I'll go ground one. Well, let me double check what I'm doing here. I'm going to put it in an approximate location. It's going to be like above that if we're going to make it approximately the same. So I'll put it in there. I'll mate it later. Now we need one try. We know that. We need two grounds right there. We need two sliders. Boom, boom, and we need 4 links. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have all the things that we need. Let's start going to the mates. This is where the magic happens, right? I'm going to make that one and that one coincident. Might as well make that one and that one coincident. I think that will establish. I gotta this. Yeah, that'll just be up above that. So I'll just go one at a time here, and link. Right. So grab one of these. I like to use the inside there, and inside there. Boom. And I guess I'll do it on the back side. Boom. That's fine. Do it on the back side, front side, doesn't matter. I'll do the same thing for this link. Up here to right there. And there's a certain amount of discretion about where you put these things. You don't have to do them exactly one particular way. We're just trying to make a representation of this thing. I guess I'll go to the left, so I'll stay with the try. Go to that guy, and down to there. Boom. That side to that side, sticking on the back of it. Right here, okay. And I kind of put it into the sort of position that I wanted to go. I probably would have made, yep. And I will make, I guess I'll go on the back side of that one too. I try to make them so that they wouldn't like interfere with each other, and if it was real. But in SolidWorks they can't interfere with each other. Let's see, okay, so this one I will make parallel to, so I'll hit parallel, and top plane, right plane. Well, that's not good. None of these planes match up with the original thing. I'll make it parallel with this. Boom. Okay. So now those are parallel. Because this one's fixed, I put that one in. Like I said, I should probably have made it arbitrary. I'm going to put that and that with each other as coincident. And actually, I probably didn't need to do that parallel because this will also be repaired, but it's not going to treat it as redundant. Now for the grounds, I'll get out of the mate. I'll just hit fixed, like so. I got it in the right spot. So here we go, right there. You know, I can only go that far. I kind of don't. Hopefully, I won't like constrain it too much when I set these others up. Let's see where the other goes. The other goes, okay, so I'm going to go up to here. Right, so now I'm going to build off of this. And so I didn't do a great job of planning that out because that thing is only one off from there. But that's okay. We will make do. Boom. Boom. Right to there. Okay. And I'm going to stick that face onto that face. And this. Alright, so it's going to be a little weird for a second. Almost looks like it's occupying the same spot. Yeah, it is. I didn't do a good job of laying that out, but that's okay. We don't need to worry about that. Yeah, I don't like that, but that's alright. That's not good. Put that over there. That's about the right spot, I think. Okay, so I'm going to come out of here. I'm going to fix this ground now, finally. Alright, so let's see how that moves. Let's see. Moves. Okay. Doesn't have a large amount of sweep from there. And I don't like that happened, but I don't want to make the video too long. Alright, so the last one is going to be up here. And we're going to connect this link to that to this. Okay. I think already I probably demonstrated enough what the whole idea behind here. But let's just keep going. I think all three of these are connected to each other right there at that spot. I'll get that side matched over that side. Boom. And then this over to here. Boom. I need, oh, let me go back to that, attach to that. I'm kind of moving this will be vertical. I could say that that is parallel to this edge just for the sake of moving it up. I'll also say that well, I'll put that onto that face. And maybe that. Parallel to this. No. I want to make it coincident actually. Boom. And flip the side. And let's see. I am occupied right now. Can you shut the door, please? I'm in the middle of recording a video, so you've just been recorded. All right, so thank you. Let's see. No, I don't want that. Clear. Boom. Make that fixed. All right. There you go. All right. So anyway, you can see that this is 1 degree of freedom right there, right there. If you move this, it has a definitive spot that it has to go to right there. And that is that right there. And then you just take a screenshot. You could either use this right here, an old tool, and go like that, and then just paste it into a Word document. Boom. Put whatever words you want in there, and then print it as a PDF. Boom. And put it into a spot that we'll remember. It's always a good idea. I have it in SolidWorks files, and I'm calling. I left this as S23 homework 1, document 1. Boom. And now you have a PDF file of the thing. You could also, if you wanted to, you could save this right here, right? Where's the save? If you want to save the snippet, give it a JPEG name. And then finally, it's just so you know that it exists, in case you didn't already, there's view and screen capture, and you have image capture. And you could instead just paste that into there, although it leaves these little wings of the sun. So there you go, there is the video, 20 minutes long.